Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can create the no-go zone, no-bob zone and virtual wall, and there we have a Dreame L40 Ultra vacuum. So in the first step we have to open the Dreame Home app, then click on the zone button, switch and confirm. Sorry, we have to do it in the all. We just need to click on the map with the pen and now click on the no-go virtual wall. Then tap on OK. As you can see, there we have the virtual wall, no-go zone, no-bob zone. If you want to set anyone, just click on it. And as you can see, there we have the four corners: the cancel corner, rotate, resize, and repositioning. So just select the virtual room and click on the accept to save it. We can also add the no-go zone. If you want to just skip any location in your room, just do it like before, tap on the no-go zone, and now we can set the zone without the cleaning. And we have also the no-bob zone. If you want to just skip the mopping, you can set it in the same place. Basically that's it. Now click on the accept to save it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.